Hello everyone, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to explain about infrared spectroscopy. So let us start with the infrared spectroscopy. It is also known as IR spectroscopy in short form. Based on IR absorption by molecules, as undergo vibrational and rotational transitions. Absorptions of radiation in this region by a typical organic molecule results in the excitation of vibrational, rotational and bending modes, while the molecule itself remains in its electronic ground states. Look at this picture. This is the potential energy and this interatomic distance r, and this level is vibrational and this level is rotational transitions. So IR radiation is in the range of 12,800 to 10 centimeter inverse or lambda 0.78 to 1000 micrometer. Rotational transition have a small energy difference. Vibrational transition occurs at higher energy, and rotational and vibration transition often occurs together. So look at this spectra, and this is spectra of benzene. So what do you expect? How many types of bond is here? Carbon, double bond carbon and carbon hydrogen. So carbon hydrogen bond is in this side, carbon double bond carbon in this side. This is a fingerprint region. X-axis is wave number and Y-axis percentage transmittance. Typical IR spectra for organic molecules, many more bands than in UV visible. Bands are also much sharper, patterned in distinct for given molecules. Good quality tools can be used for compound identification, group analysis. Also quantitative tools, intensity of band related to amount of compound present. The spectra usually show as percentage transmutation instead of absorbance versus wave number instead of lambda for convenience. Look at these pictures. This is harmonic oscillator model. Approximate represent of atomic stretching. Two masses attached by a spring. Two masses attached by a spring, where E is equal to half k square. Y is the spring displacement, k is spring constants. Already I discussed in previous video. So the dissociation energy, this is the simple harmonic motions, and this is the energy level, vibrational quantum numbers, interatomic distance r. This is the vibration energy level and potential energy. So vibrational frequency given by nu is equal to half root over k by m 2 pi, where mu frequency, k force constant, measure of bonds stiffness, mu reduced mass m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2. If known frequency, atom is bond can get the k. Single bonds, double and triple bonds, and nu directly proportional to root over k. So vibration nu occurs in order triple, more, double and then single. And harmonic oscillator model good at low energy level, V nu 0, nu 1, nu 2, not good at high energy level due to atomic repulsion and attraction. As atom approach, Coulombic repulsion force add to the bond force, making energy increase greater than harmonic. As atoms separate, approach dissociation energy and the harmonic functions rises quickly. Look at here, this is anharmonic graph, this is harmonic graph. So because of anharmonic at low, del E, del V is equal to plus minus 2, plus minus 3 are observed, which cause the appearance of overtone lines at frequency at 2 to 3 times the fundamental frequency. Normally del V is equal to plus minus 1. So types of molecular vibration, bond stretching, and stretching is also two types, symmetric and asymmetric. Bending in plane rocking, in plane scissoring, rocking, scissoring, out of plane wagging, and out of plane twisting. So for Bundy, this is symmetric, asymmetric, in plane scissoring, out of plane twisting, in plane rocking, out of plane wagging. Number of vibrations mode for non-linear molecules, number of types of vibration 3n minus 6. For linear molecules, number of types of vibration 3n minus 5. Why so many peaks in IR spectra? Observed vibration can be less than predicted because symmetry, no change in dipole moment, energy of vibration are identical, absorption intensity too low, frequency beyond range of instruments. So if you have the Cl, so you have 2 atom, 3 into 2 minus 5 is equal to 1, so it is 1 mode. CH3, so 3 into 3 minus 5 is become 4 modes, so this is the 4 modes. Moving in outer plane. IR active vibration, in order for molecules to adopt IR radiation, vibration at the same frequency as in the light, but also must have change in its net dipole moment as a result of the vibrations. Look at CO2, 3 into 3 minus 5, 4 modes. Mu is equal to 0, so IR inactive. Mu greater than 0, IR active. Mu greater than 0, IR active. Mu greater than 0, IR active. Generate identical energy single IRP. Now you see 1, 2, 3 and 4 peak. Look at here. So this peak, you see there is no peak, this one. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.